Our third part of the transition logic project is going to be a little bit more advanced. This time we're going to focus on a multiple state lower third, and we're also going to have additional elements here that we can create combination pages off of. So to begin, what I have here is Artist and Trio running on the local machine here. And I've imported my scenes that I made with transition logic, and we're just going to show you the quick example of what we're trying to achieve here and how we'll be working through this project. So the first graphic I have here is my first state of lower third. And when I right click on it, I can do a direct take. When we do a direct take, it brings up this lower third. Now I can go to my next lower third, do a direct take, and it transitions to the second state. We're going to go down to our third state of the lower third and do a direct take, and it transitions to a third state. Now we also have additional elements here that we've imported and we'll be making as well. So I'm going to do a direct take on a full screen, which will come up, and when I do a direct take out on that, it will go away. We also have a logo here that we can bring in, so I'm going to do a direct take on that one. You can see it slides in this logo. Now I do a direct take out on that one, it goes out. I also have an OTS. I do a direct take on this one, brings in an OTS, so we'll do a direct take out on that one as well, and it goes out. We also have a time element, so I'm going to do a direct take on that, brings this one in. We right click and do a direct take out on that one, takes the time element out. We also have a topic here, so I can do a direct take on that one, and it brings up the topic. And again, I do a direct take out and brings out that element. Now with the lower third, we have 3 states here. So at any state, we can transition from state to state. So right now we're in the third state. I want to go back to the first state. I can do a direct take on that one, and it transitions back to that one. If I want to go back to the third state, I just need to do a direct take out on that one. Then if I want to go back to the second state, I can just do a direct take on the second state, lower third, and it brings in that one. So in the lower third, we can transition from any state to any state at any time and bring up that particular graphic that we want. So to actually build this, we're going to jump back into Artist and then begin building these parts out from scratch.